Alright, we're going to watch this video about solving equations with variables on both sides. Alright, so imagine this. You have two separate companies. You have one company that charges $840 plus $17 an hour to help you move. You got another company that charges $760 and $22 an hour to move. Question is, when will they be the same cost? Well, there's an unknown amount of hours. That's what we need to know here. So we're going to let h equal the number of hours. Alright, so if h equals the number of hours, what is going to be the equations for both of these? What will be the equations? Let's move this down here. And I have this scenario. 840 no matter what, plus $17 per hour. So that gets the h. On this side, 760 plus 22h. That represents the scenarios above. Alright, so again the question states, when will the cost be the same? Well, I want to really know, when will these two equations be equal to one another? So now we're going to go and do the algebra portion of this. Move this up. Let's take a look what we do. So, first things first, I want to go ahead and move my variables, which I have on two sides, all to one side. Best to look for the smaller number here and try to eliminate it so that we're left with a positive variable term. So I'm going to subtract 17h on both sides. This is my resulting answer. The 840 just drops down, so does the 760. These two are a zero pair, will cross out, and I'm left with 5h on this side. Now that I have my variable on one side, I have my constants on two sides. I want to look for the smaller one and try to eliminate that one. So subtract 760, and I bring it over to this side. Again, what I'm really trying to do is trying to get the variable term by itself. So if you cover that up, that tells you which one to deal with. So you get rid of that 760. Move that over. This is a zero pair. These two simplify to 80. One step away from solving this. Looks like I'm going to divide by my coefficient. Divide by 5, and I end up with the answer 16. What does that mean? That means in 16 hours the cost will be the same. Question I have for you is, 1, what if you hire the company for less than 16 hours? Which one would be a better deal? You move or let's move it? Which company, the red or the green, would be better for less than 16 hours, I'm sorry. And conversely, on the other side, what about more than 16 hours? Which one would be cheaper? So think about that. We'll talk about it in class.